Looking for the best vlogging camera in 2021? Let's find out! Hi there and welcome to Wondershare Filmii's YouTube channel. I'm Veronica and today we're going to be taking a look at the best vlogging cameras right now in 2021. If you are new to the channel, kindly consider subscribing and ringing the notification bell so you always know when we drop a new content. And don't forget to hit that like button if you're enjoying the video because that really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Alright, so before we get into the video, we have to tell you about Wondershare Filmii. If you're looking for a video editor to quickly edit your vlog, Filmii is the way to go. It is extremely easy to use. It has all those super cool AI-powered smart themes and templates that help you to achieve stunning videos, even if you're a beginner. So make sure you check it out using the link in the description box below. And that said, let's dive right into the video. Number one on our list is the Olympus EM5 Mark III. If you love retro style, then Olympus with its stunning 90s look is the camera for you. The camera is very lightweight, as you would expect vlogging camera to be, but at the same time, it doesn't skim on sophisticated features at all. The camera gives you clean 4K video with face-detected autofocus that it's going to make you fall in love with your videos. And we are talking about perfect severe focusing even in low light. And image stabilization, perfect. Although this camera does have a small image sensor, which can be a tiny issue, you really cannot recommend Olympus M5 Mark III enough. In fact, it is perhaps our best vlogging camera for 2021 on our list, is its APS-C sensor. Now for such a portable camera, this is a large sensor. So score one for Sony. As impressive as the APS-C sensor is, however, what pushes the A6400 over the top for us is the autofocus feature. It is super fast and flexible, which makes the camera great for tracking subjects in real time. 4K video, pop-up screen, as well as microphone jack are also other wonderful features you're promised with Sony A6400. Moving on to the third camera on our list, we have the Sony ZV-1. The Sony ZV-1 was the first Sony's official vlogging camera. It comes slightly under the A6400 camera we just talked about, and it is also more affordable. Nevertheless, the camera does boast advanced video features that are far beyond merely satisfactory. The ZV-1 comes with an impressive sensor, a fantastic lens that gives you a better background blur, smart autofocusing, and also an ND filter. The camera also features a screen that fully articulates, a more ergonomic grip, and a hot shoe for your accessories. If we could change a few things on this camera, we would probably boost the battery life, and we would also throw in a viewfinder. Other than that, at less than $1,000, this camera is definitely worth the money. At number 4, we have the Canon L6M6 Mark II. Let's be honest here, everyone loves Canon, especially their DSLRs. It is unspoken consensus that no one does it like this brand. Regardless of this, Canon is not resting on its oars. As it branches into the world of portable cameras, the M6 Mark II, being one of its finest models, is every inch the vlogger's camera with its airy weight, compact size, and articulate screen. The camera actually comes with a touchscreen display, so not too many controls to fiddle with. And although the sensor is not large, the resolution is absolutely amazing. Did we already mention that it comes with an image stabilization and autofocus? What we love the most about this camera is that it is super easy to use right out of the box, and it also does an excellent job in a low light. Next up, at number 5, we have the Sony A6100. If you're new to vlogging or you have never handled a camera before, the Sony A6100 is the right camera for you. At an affordable price point, this camera actually brings many impressive features to the table. For instance, the continuous tracking autofocus is excellent, and it will help you to keep your vlog clean and sharp even if you're moving a lot. It also has a lot of vlogging optimized features like flip-up screen, touchscreen display, as well as compact size and lightweight. The A6100 is in fact a younger sibling of the A6400, so if you love the A6400 but you find it a little bit out of your league, the A6100 would be a great alternative for you to check out. Alright, we are now at number 6, the Sony RX 100 M7. Okay, the RX 107 is somewhat higher up the price point, but it also comes with tremendous value and versatility. Although this is a super compact camera, the RX 107 comes with 1-inch sensor. Honestly, that's pretty large sensor for such a small camera, which means you're going to get an excellent image qualities with little to no noise, better color rendering, and also a greater depth of field than a phone camera. Now, this camera comes with an electronic viewfinder, which is definitely a great news. It also comes with a near perfect image stabilization for a vlogging camera, as well as very powerful autofocus system, which you should not be getting on such a small camera. It is literally a crime, we tell you. And that is why the RX 100 M7 is one of our favorite cameras on the list. And finally, let's wrap up with the Panasonic GX85. Like the PowerShot G9 X Mark II, the Panasonic GX85 isn't exactly tailor-made for vlogging, but it does have features that can serve the vlogger, especially if you're a beginner. Now, unlike the PowerShot G9 that we just looked at, GX85 does shoot a 4K. It also has an incredible dual image stabilization system, a solid battery life, and a great video quality. We don't really like that this camera is lacking for articulating screen and microphone jack, which is the reason why we decided to put this camera last. But altogether, this camera has only a couple of flaws that are forgivable. So do check it out for yourself and see if you like it. And that is it, a snapshot of all our favorite vlogging cameras for 2021. What did you think about them? Please let us know in the comment section down below. We would love to hear from you. So don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And till next time, when we bring another amazing content your way, it is bye from us.